Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive into the latest tech innovations to help you make informed decisions. Today, we're spotlighting a game-changer for your storage needs, the PCIe X1 to 12 port SATA 3.0 expansion card from Trotwei Blue. This expansion card stands out as the best PCIe to SATA adapter on the market, offering unprecedented flexibility and speed for your SSD and HDD setups. Whether you're a gamer, a data analyst, or just someone who needs extra storage, this card has got you covered. Let's take a closer look at what makes this expansion card so exceptional. The Trotwei Blue PCIe X1 card allows you to connect up to 12 independent SATA 3.0 interfaces, expanding a single PCIe slot into a powerhouse of connectivity. This means you can link multiple SSDs or other SATA devices simultaneously, ideal for those who require extensive storage capacity without compromising performance. In terms of design, it's compact, measuring 4.72 inches in length, 3.7 inches in width, and 2.3 inches in height, making it easy to fit into most computer cases. It also features a plug-and-play design, meaning installation is straightforward and hassle-free. You won't need to worry about complicated setups or additional software. Just install it into your PCIe slot, connect your devices, and you're ready to go. Now, let's talk about speed. This expansion card is based on the SATA 3.0 standard, which provides data transfer speeds of up to 6 gigabits per second. This is crucial for anyone looking to maximize their SSD performance. With such high transfer rates, you can expect rapid data access and file transfers, whether you're gaming, editing videos, or backing up critical files. One of the standout features of this adapter is its versatility. The Trotwei Blue card is compatible with various operating systems, including Windows, Linux, Ubuntu, SSHI, and even Synology NAS. This broad compatibility makes it an excellent choice for both desktop and server applications. Whether you're upgrading a personal workstation or building a powerful server for your business. Another great aspect of this product is the 12 status LEDs. These lights provide real-time feedback on the status of each connected device, so you'll always know which drives are active. This feature is particularly beneficial for troubleshooting or managing your storage effectively. Moreover, the card supports 20-inch SATA cable bundles, simplifying your wiring and connection management. This thoughtful design ensures stable signal transmission, which is vital for reliable device access, preventing data loss or corruption during operations. In conclusion, if you're looking to expand your storage capacity while maintaining top-notch performance, the PCIe X1 to 12 port SATA 3.0 expansion card by Trotwei Blue is the best PCIe to SATA adapter out there. With its impressive speed, ease of installation, and wide compatibility, it caters to everyone from gamers to professionals who require vast amounts of data storage. So, if you're ready to upgrade your setup and experience the benefits of this incredible expansion card, check it out. Make sure to subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews and tech insights. Thanks for watching, and happy computing.